The new Endocrine Physiology lab helps students explore how the endocrine system initiates and controls complex interactions between hormones and their target organs in our bodies. First, students are asked to identify the location of the endocrine organs within the body and begin to define the relationship between specific hormones and their target organs. Clear, interactive diagrams help students visualize feedback loops that occur within our bodies and better understand how the concentration of these various hormones can either stimulate or inhibit activity. Students are guided through a series of common scenarios, asked to identify the key components of each biological response, and differentiate between negative and positive feedback loops. In a series of case studies using rats, students investigate endocrine control of our reproduction, the stress response, and our metabolism. In each case, students first identify the organs and hormones involved in the particular pathway using visual flowcharts. Students are then presented with the physiological data from a control rat and experimental rats that were blindly injected with hormones. Students have to analyze which hormone was administered to each rat based on the physiological changes. Students are guided through a series of questions that help them explain and argue their findings. All question panels are equipped with instant feedback to help consolidate students' understanding of the material. The endocrine disorders page considers what happens in the body when normal hormone secretion is chronically disrupted. Students are presented with a patient case where imbalanced hormones upset homeostasis, and they must hypothesize the effects on the body and discuss treatment options. Finally, the review and integration page helps students create diagrams that summarize the functional relationships formed between hormones and endocrine glands. The lesson concludes with reflective questions asking students to evaluate their own learning process and consider which areas they need to explore further. Thanks for looking through one of our human physiology labs. We hope you enjoyed this addition to our collection.